guys, I'm playing Subway Surf today. My cousin is here with me, so hold on.
Yeah, but that's going to have a big one to win.
Yep, he wants me to win. Hold on.
Can I say bets, Emmanuel?
Okay.
All we're
Okay.
doing is just choosing.
Let's play. This is Paris, I think. I've got fresh.
Yeah, but you can play it.
Oopsie.
If you get all the way onto this one.
Yeah, I got a magnet. Oh, I just died. I've got 2 keys.
You can use them.
Too late.
You can use them all.
Got Spice guitar. I need to get 166 more. Okay, let's start again.
Okay, but you've got to get to like 100 or.
I've got to 166 more.
Yeah, but if we can get some, but we need some keys to open the train up. We need some keys to open it up, but all we need is some magnets to get us some money for us. Since the magnet's good enough. So you have to get magnets so you can get the money.
Yeah.
And then you'll have to get the much of money you can get, or you can get a star. If you get a star, you can get a bit more quicker to get into the train.
Oh, no way to escape. Thank you, Daniel. Oops. Woo.
That's to die, but we got a life back, so we save us one of these, please. So, if you get some...
Oops. I thought I had the high shoes.
Doesn't matter.
Daniel, can you hold the tablet like that? Just hold it. Keep your thing. Hold it. Go on, hold it. Yeah, like that, Daniel. Can you keep it there? When you want to stop, press that button.
Yeah, but I'll stop holding it. I can't hold it properly.
Wee-hoo!
This is the high shoes.
Wee-hoo!
But you need to get some high shoes to jump. You need some high shoes to jump in.
Did I just fall off?
All you have to do is get some stars and a magnet, and you have to use some boards to get there. Because if you're going to crash into anything, if you're stuck and you might crash, so you just have to use the board, then you'll just crash, explode out the trap, then you won't be in the trap. And then all you have to do is just like get magnets and money, and you have to get like $1 billion worth of money. And then you have to, if you just die, you might have to get some keys. If you don't, you won't get to play. Otherwise, you'll have no strength to keep your life alive.
Free rush!
What is free rush?
But it's when you get lots of coins. There's only coins on the track and nothing, no trains or anything.
Keep an eye on Joshua.
Okay.
If anything happens, call your mom. Joshua, I'm coming in a minute, yeah? Are you okay?
All you have to do
You want to eat now?
is just get all the things you can get.
Ah, I thought I was gonna die. Ooh.
You need some high shoes in case. Yeah, but if you
Oops. Too
but
overexcited.
you will need to get some high shoes. So if you're trapped, you can not
Ooh,
trap
what's
or-
in here? Let's open it. Yay! We need to get 459 more of them. Wait. So I'm going to show you what characters I've got so far. I've got him. I've got her. I've got him. I've got Lucy. I've got the ninja. That's all.
No, I don't have ninja. Silly Billy.
Oh, I am a silly Billy then. Guys, thanks for watching. Goodbye.